Pero, paano yung ano ko din?
Hindi, masarap ang pagkain namin. Diba? Yun na, the key of life. Continue, be happy. Because the time is very important. So, habang bata pa tayo, we need to enjoy. Hindi yung matanda tayo, tsaka tayo mag-enjoy, di ba? It's better.
Tama.
Habang bata pa tayo, keep going, willing, enjoying.
Bata pa ako.
Diba? Enjoy life. I wanna enjoy life. Enjoy life. Oh, kaya dito ng lyrics yan.
Paano kaya makakapag-enjoy?